1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Never bow down to a nigga. See fucking hell, I'm over more for the trigger. Rule 2, always stay true to the lizard. Boxing salutes to my dogs up in prison. Rule 3, always ride for the MMBOP. I'ma ride for my dogs, Mongrel, MMBOP. Rule 4, always stay down for the cause. Never look back, dog, always moving forward. Rule 5, it's a fucking doggy dog live. Salute the mighty bulldogs high from the sky. Rule 6, never took the punk ass bitch. If he talking all that shit, put a shell up in his way. Rule 7, this one for my dogs up in prison. Running them cell blocks and sucking into them kids. Rule 8, Mongolism is our only fate. Always sucking hard like a 4v8. Rule 9, live the life of a dog. Embrace every moment, every life with the mark. Rule 10, remember 4-star as a friend. This is just a start, this is far from the end. Rule 11, remember all the dogs passed on. They gave their heart and soul to the mighty Mongrel. Rule 12, always fucking down to raise hell. Top rocker Mongrel, see fucking hell. Rule 13, Mongrel better plenty. I'ma ride with my dogs till I'm in the cemetery. Mongrel, better plenty. Cost dog, to fucking hell to the nation. Mongrel, sick fuck, see hell. I ride, Mongrel, play a plenty. Sick fucking hell, we here to raise hell. Nigga bow down when them dogs in your town. Dogs rule the nation, fuck all the haters. Mongrel the best, pay your pennies where I rest. Salutes to the dogs from the east to the west. South to the north, we putting niggas in check. Sick fuck to the tame dogs in the OZ. Putting dogs on the map for the ammo fucking beat. Salutes to Mucker 2, a mighty fucking breed. Sick fuck to AT from the BO fucking P. Sick out of TGA, all the way to Hastings. Cobra to take all babies and Tangi. Box to my woman, the brothers and Firimaki. Sick fuck to Herb Grove in the dogs in King Country. Central Hawks Bay, Napier, East Cape. Sick fuck to the mighties that have come a long way. Sick how to put it on, Wellington and the Roach. Sick how to NZ, every fucking nigga knows. From the cities to the towns, Mongrel runs the show. And if you didn't know, motherfucker, now you know. Mongrel, Bay of Plenty, we here to let it go. Got the dogs in the VA, we on the doggy run. Got the shotty in the trunk, watch niggas talking shit. Kidnap that nigga, put his body in a ditch. Sick fuck, sick hell. We are the Mongrel mob. Bow down on your hands and knees when we roll through your motherfucking town, nigga. Sick fuck, sick hell. We are the Mongrel mob. Bow down on your hands and knees when we roll through your motherfucking town, little nigga. by stubby tail. Bulldogs with walls, see fuck, see hell. Walk off forever till they put me in the ground. Boom shakalaka, see fuck, see hell. Born in the kennel, raised by a stubby tail. Bulldogs with walls, see fuck, see hell. Walk off forever till they put me in the ground. Eat like kings and we fuck like dogs. We are the members of the Mongrel mob. 4 V8s, tattoos on the face. Double barrel shotty in a motherfucking shank. Raised in the place that some call hell. We call it home through a fucking stubby tail. Praying on the weak and smashing out your teeth. Shaking niggas up to the motherfucking stream. Some say I'm bad and some say I'm cool, but one thing I know, that the Mongrel mob rules. So don't get it twisted, you fucking little niggas. Bad and malicious, rough and with vicious. Red bandanas, handguns and hammers. Bad bulldogs with the fucking bad intentions. Roaming through the nation with the stubby tail dogs. We're the members of the Bay of Plenty Mongrel mob. Red bandanas, handguns and hammers. Bad bulldogs with the fucking bad intentions. Roaming through the nation with the stubby tail dogs. We're the members of the Bay of Plenty Mongrel mob. Boom shakalaka, see fuck, see hell. Born in the kennel, raised by a stubby tail. Bulldogs with walls, see fuck, see hell. Mongrel mob forever till they put me in the ground. Boom shakalaka, see fuck, see hell. Born in the kennel, raised by a stubby tail. Bulldogs with walls, see fuck, see hell. Mongrel mob forever till they put me in the ground. Eat like kings and we fuck like dogs. We're the members of the Bay of Plenty Mongrel mob. 4 V8s, tattoos on the face. Double barrel shotty in a motherfucking shank. Boom shakalaka, see fuck, see hell. Mongrel mob forever till they put me in the ground. Raised in the place that some call hell. We call it home through a fucking stubby tail.
Black Lions.
Some real shit I wrote. Let it off my chest. Yeah. Hey, I was raised by my mind at 73. See no milk in the fridge, we ain't nothing to eat. My pops wasn't around, my pops was labeled deceased. So for 3 years straight, I fucking struggled to sleep. Wish it all was a dream, man, this shit is so deep. I can still see the blood running down on my pop's cheeks. Them tears in my mom's eyes with pain and agony. My sister was only 5, she cried for a whole week. My brother was traumatized, seeing that murder scene. And I was only 10, but I remember it vividly. After seeing that shit, it made me think so devilishly. By the time I was 12, man, I was smoking up heavily. Drinking at the same age to ease the pain of my brain. Wasn't afraid to die, I lived my life like a game. Take a look in my eyes, you can see all of my pain. I prayed to God a lot, it was the devil who came. All of my sorrows remain, all of my demons attained. All of them cold ass nights followed by hard ass days. Had no lights in the house, slept on the floor of the couch. Had no money for food, packed my bags and I'm out. Yeah, 16 years old on this lonely road. All the shit I've been through made my heart cold. I lost a few brothers, this time takes its toll. A lot of motherfuckers, yeah, they wanna see me go. If my dark come to light, would there be a better way? If my mind was set aside, would my mind be playing games? If everything was crashing down, would you kneel and pray? Or would you load that 9 and start to take aim? Some say I'm crazy, a little out of rage. Can you really blame me for being this way? I seen a lot of things, some things kinda strange. Spreading like disease, yeah, some kind of fucking plague. My heart tore when I saw my pops lay to rest. It made my heart cold, in my mind a little stressed. Crazy thoughts in my head, had a devil's mindset. But I keep moving forward and I never look back. Yeah, I got a heart of a soldier. I'ma keep going till this motherfucker's over. Sip a lot of liquor just to keep my composure. My life's a little crazy like a fucking roller coaster. I keep my gun out the holster so I don't have to live looking over my shoulder. Cause I know they'll be getting closer. Until that day I'ma be riding with my soldiers. 23 years old on this lonely road. All the shit I've been through made my heart cold. I lost a few brothers, this time takes its toll. A lot of motherfuckers, yeah, they wanna see me go. a few brothers gets time takes its toll. A lot of motherfuckers, yeah, they wanna see me go.
Dog life. You fucking out to the dog life. MOB, that's all I see. Riding through my city streets, getting money on the daily, sipping Henny, blowing green. Bitches wanna fucking cheat, but I only want their green. Dedicated to my team, don't let these haters come between. I'm a D.O. double G, straight out the VA fucking Y. I'm a gangster motherfucker, and you know exactly why. I be sliding through your world with that thing up on my side. If these niggas don't get rolled, they know my don't be down to ride. Let it slide, let it bang, representing for the game. It ain't nothing but a vague thing, homie, so let it bang. MOB, that's all I see. BOP, that's all I be. Got that paper roll up on me when I pull up on the scene. Mongrel, come and get it on my dogs, they stay pretty. On my brothers, they stay pretty. On my city, I'm connected, ain't nobody fucking with me. This is my get out of me. Don't get for my potential, pussy niggas, they be flinching. Get that thing busted, if I catch that nigga sleeping on the streets of Tuesday, they want just the fucking thing. Mongrel, runs this bitch, get the fuck out of my way. Mongrel, come and get it on my dogs, they stay pretty. From the bait, it's up in shit. On my brothers, they stay pretty. In my city, I'm connected, ain't nobody fucking with us. Every day I'm obligated, this the life that I be living. You fucking down to my dogs, you prisoner on my dogs on the block, clocking up the finish. You fucking down to the Mongrel nation, obligated every day in my obligation. You fucking down to the Mongrel, stand strong, true my dogs, you never run from war. You fucking down, Mongrel, better play me, see, fuck niggas up, fucking niggas gonna keep. You fucking down to my dogs, you prisoner on my dogs on the block, clocking up the finish. You fucking down to the Mongrel nation.
Check fucking out, Jarv Dog! Go back, Quiddy! Fucking out, Jarv Dog!